Now, I will show you some examples how you have to use speed mass while solving some problems. Suppose, let us write a problem. The length of a parallelogram is 64 meters and its width is 53 meters. What is its area? This is a small question. How to answer? See, length is equal to meters. Width is equal to 53 meters. So, area of a parallelogram is length into width or breadth, that is 64 into 53. So, generally it takes a lot of time, 3, 4, 12, 3, 6, all these things. Whereas in speed mass, see 64 into 53. How we will do? 3, 4, 12, 2 here, 1 outside. 3, 6, 18, 5, 4, 20. 20 plus 18, 38 plus 1, 39, 3 outside. 6, 5, 30 plus 3, 33. So, the area is 3392 square meters. Like that, so easily. Here, as I told you, the multiplication, directly they may not ask 64 into 53. In a question, it will be like this: length, width or breadth. Area is length into width, 64 into 53. Now here, easily with 3, 4, 12. 2 here, because we are multiplying two digits, we have to take 1 digit. 2 is here, 1 outside. Now cross multiply. 3 into 6, 18. 5 into 4, 20 plus 18. 38 plus 1, 39. 3 outside, 9 here. 6, 5, 30 plus 3, 33. Like that. See, in any problem, if there is a multiplication like this, you have to use speed mass like this and do it accurately and speedily. Now, let us go to another example. The length and breadth of a parallelogram is 305 and 506 respectively. What is its area? So, what we have to do? First, the length is 305 meters. The breadth is 506 meters. So, what is the area? Area is length into breadth formula. So, here 305 into 506. Generally, you have to write 305 and 506. And as you know, you have to multiply 6 5 30, 6 3, all these things. But in speed mass, that is not necessary. We do it immediately like this. 6 5s, this is 0. 6 5s, 30. Okay. Now 16 into 3, 18. 5 into 5, 25. 25 plus 18 is 43. And 5 3 is 15. Okay. It is over. So 6 5 is 30. Cross multiplication 6 3 is 18, 5 5 is 25. 25 plus 18, 43, 5 3 is 15. So the area is 154330 square meters. Like that, wherever it is necessary. Here we have applied speed mass for multiplication. If division is there, if square is there, cube is, whatever is there, we have to apply speed mass. Directly, if you want to multiply 301 to 506, 6 5 is 30, 6 3 is 18, 0 0 5, all these things. But here it won't be like this. 6 5 is 30, 6 3 is 18, 5 is 25, 25 plus 18, 43 and 5 3 is 15. As you know, we are multiplying 3 digits. We have to take 2 digits at a time. That is why 6 5 30, 30 we have taken. 6 into 3 18, 5 into 5 25, 25 plus 18 43, 2 digits we have taken and 5 3 is 15. So the answer is 154330 square meters. Like that, easily you can do multiplications in this way. See, now let us go to one example. The side of a square is 56 meters. What is its area? Now how to do this problem? Side of a square is 56 meters. Area What is the formula plus area? Side square. Side square is area for a square. Here 56 square. So generally to do this, what you have to do? 56 into 56, 66, all these things, 56 into 56, 6 is 36, 6 5 is 30 plus 3 33, and 5 6 is 30, 5 5 is 25 plus 3 23. You have to do like this: 6 6 is 36, 6 5 30 33, 5 6 is 30, 5 5 is 25 plus 3 28. So this is 6 3 1 3, like that you have to do. But this is all not necessary in speed math. Simply we say 5. So 5 square is 25. 25 plus 6 31, and 6 6 is 36. Like that, usually ending with 5. Or else let us go for a plus b whole square. 6 6 is 36. 6 here, 3 outside. Because you are dealing with 2 digits, you have to take 1 digit. And again 2ab, 2 into 5 10, 10 into 6 6, 60. 60 plus 3 63. 3 is here, 6 outside. And 5 5 is 25 plus 6 31. So in either way you can do. Taking it as starting with 5, when it starts with 5, 5 square is 25 plus 6 31, and 6 6 is 36. Even if you forget the ending with 5 or starting with 5, then go for direct squaring. Take this as A, take this as B. So B square is 36. 6 here, this is not that 36. 6 here, 3 outside here. Again 2ab, 2 into 5 10, 10 into 6 60. 60 plus 3 63. 3 here, 6 outside. Now 5 a square. 5 square is 25 plus 6 31. So the answer is 31 36 square meters. Like that, 56 square can be done in just a few seconds. It is an example for you how they will ask. They need not ask you 56 directly. They may ask like this: side of a square is 56 meters. What is its area? Then area is side square, that is 56 square. You can say easily it is 31 36 square meters. Now let us see another example. A man has deposited 10,000 rupees in a bank at a rate of 9% in compound interest. What is the amount he is going to get after 2 years? This is the problem. How speed math is useful to solve this problem? Let us see. The principle is P into 1 plus R by 100 into N. This is the formula. A amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by N. Here P is 10,000. 1 plus rate of interest is 9 by 100, and N number of years are 2. How do you do it? 10,000 into 100 plus 1, 100 into 100 plus 9, this will become 109 by 100 into 109 by 100, because it is square. 109 by 100 square means you are. So these 2 zeros, these 2 zeros, these 2 zeros, these 2 zeros cancel. So this what is that remaining? 109 into 109. Generally, how the students will do? 109 into 109. 9 9s 81, 9 1s 9, 0 0 0, again 9 0 1, and you had 1 8 8 1 1 like this. But this is all not necessary in speed math. Simply 109 whole square. Okay? Give slash here. As I told, 9 9s 81. Because you are operating 2 digits, you have 3 digits, you have to take 2 digits. That is B square is 81. What is 2ab? 2 into 1 into 9. That is 18. And 1 square is 1. So the answer is 11,881 rupees you will get after 2 years at the rate of 9%. So here entire problem is easy. These things can be done in speed math or ordinary math. But here when you are supposed to square 109, the problem lies. Here you have to multiply like this, you have to check it, recheck it, you may not have confidence whether it is right or wrong. All these things does not come here. Simply 9 9 is 81, 2 into 1 into 9, 2 9, 18, 1 1. So the answer is 11,881 rupees. Like that you can use speed math. Here we have used speed math for squaring 3 digits. Okay. Now let us go to another problem where we can use speed math and get the answer easily. The question is, the area of a square is 9025 square meters. What is its perimeter? Now what to do? See, area of a square is 9025 square meters. Okay. Now what is this side? What you have to do? You have to find the square root. 9025. How you will find 9025? You leave the traditional method. How easily we can find this? So put dot here, 9 nines 81, 10 minus 1 9, only get down one digit, that is 2. You multiply this 9 18, 18 nines, sorry 18 fives 92 and last digit 5, and so the answer is 95, and it is confirmed because the remainder is square of the last digit, that is 5. 5 is 25. So the square root of 9025 is 95 meters. Okay. So the square root can be found easily like this. Now he asks perimeter. Perimeter is 95 into 4. This you can easily multiply. 4 5s 20 meters. 95 into 4 is 380. 4 5s 20, 4 another. So like that, here we have used speed mass to find the square root of a number. A square root of a number can be easily found like this. Dot dot and take the nearest square for this. 9 nines 81, remainder 9, get down 2, and 9 twos 18, 18 fives, just divide, 18 fives 92, 5, and it is confirmed 5 is the last number, its square is 25 is the remainder, so square root of 9025 is 95. Here we have used our speed mass. Now let us see another example. The side of a cube is 32 meters. What is its volume? So here side of a cube is equal to 32 meters. So to find its volume, the formula is side cube. Side cube is its volume. Here 32 cube. So as I told you, we can directly write the answer like this. How? The formula a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, and we come from right to left. Here 2 cube is 8. Okay. Next 3a b square, 3 into 3 9, b square is 4, 9 fours 36, 6 here, 3 outside. Next 3 a square b, 3 a square is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 2 is 54, 54 plus 3 57, and 5 outside. Here 3 cube is 27 plus 5 32, that is 32,768 cubic meters. Okay, I will tell you again. 32 cube you have to find. 2 cube is 8. Next step is 3ab square. 3a, 3 3 is 9, b square is 4, 9 4 36, 6 here 3, because we are multiplying 2 digits, you have to take only one digit. 6 here 3 outside. Next 3a square b, 3a square is 9, 9 into 3 27, 27 into 2 54, 54 plus 3, 54 plus 3 57, 7 here 5 outside. Okay, 54 plus 3 57, 7 here 5 outside. Again a cube is 3 cube is 27, 27 plus 5 32. So the area of the cube whose side is 32, the volume of the cube whose side is 32 meters is 32,768 cubic meters. So we have used speed mass to calculate the cube of a number very easily. Otherwise you have to multiply 32 into 32 into 32, all this. Here directly we can multiply like this. So speed mass can be used like this easily. Now let us see an example where we can use speed mass in divisions and get the answers easily. Let us take a problem. A hostel warden wants to distribute 1488 mangoes among 62 students. How many mangoes does each student get? That is the question. Here, how to do this problem? Total mangoes 1488. Number of students 62. So, each student gets how much? 1488. This is 1488. I'm sorry. 1488 by 62. So here, if you want to do it in traditional maths, you have to write 1488 like this, 1488, right, 62, 62, all these things will be here. But here, how we do in speed maths? Instantaneously, in one step we do 1488 by 62. Divide with 6, 6 2s 12. Remainder is 2. 2 into 2, 4. 28 minus 4, 24. 6 4s 24. Remainder is 0. 4 2s 8. 8 minus 8, 0. So the answer is 24. See again. Divide with 6. 6 2s 12. Remainder 2. Multiply these 2. This quotient and second number 2 2s 4 and subtract 28 minus 4, 24. Divide with 6. 24 by 6 is 6 4s 24. Remainder 0. You put the remainder here. 0 even if you put or doesn't matter. Here 4 2s 8. 8 minus 8 multiply and subtract, and last number is remainder as I told you. 4 2s 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. 0 by 62 is 0. So each student will get 24 mangoes. Like that, without, see here how much difficult it is. 62 160, 62 2s, again you have to do all these things, you know pretty well. Here nothing. If you look, if you learn the ninth table, you can divide any number here. Here see 62, divide with 6, that's all. 6 2s 12, remainder 2, 2 2s 4, 28 minus 4 24, 6 4s 24, remainder 0, 4 2s 8, 8 minus 8 0. So each student will get 24. Like that you can do any division easily using speed maths.